Welcome back to another episode. This time we are going to Granada in the city and we're visiting the friends next to Granada and we are making the fresh olive oil. And also we think that it's good idea to paint our car. So come and see what we do. So we are on the road again, and how it is in Spain, the roads can be very long and curvy and up and down and whatever you like. But it's beautiful. It's goddamn beautiful. You can film basically everywhere. Every episode is 10 times more beautiful than what do you see right now. Some days start with a bad day. We broke our window, but we fixed it. We hope it stays. We had some very storm weather, but it's going to be getting better because you still have some good views. And this Granada area it's magical. It's beautiful. It's so much things to explore. And first thing what we did, we went to the Granada city to explore the city because it's famous, and let's see what it brings for us. Today we came to Granada to experience some city life. Also we found some parking place right there to the city center. We left our car and now we are going to the city, some tourist famous places. Ooh, doggies. We'll see. Wow, typical way to keep the dogs. Granada is a city full of mystery and beauty. Many believe its name simply means pomegranate, the symbol what you can see all over the streets. But actually the name Granada comes from the Arabic word Granada, means hill of the strangers. The most famous landmark is of course Alhambra Fortress. You can admire this beauty from the plaza nearby filled with the musicians and the street market, or you can just simply go and step inside. But to get the ticket can be a little bit tricky. Granada is also the world capital of flamenco, especially unique style of samba, which is traditionally danced barefoot. And only a few thousand kilometers away there is Spain's only ski resort, Sierra Nevada. There is so many things to do, then just one day it's not enough. And to light your own candle, but here is that you will put the €1 inside, and then one electrical candle will start to burn. Cool. But in the same time it's weird how our world is changing. So today we came to make oil, the olives. We will see. Now they're putting inside olives there, and it will remove all the leaves and stuff, and the clean olives should be go there somewhere soon. But it smells here like in these places where you can give away your glass bottles or any bottles. Oh yeah, olives. It smells like this. It smells like alcohol. Old alcohol. It's not very clean, but cool. Total amount is 787 kilos, so now it's a waiting time. and about 3 hours, and finally we got the sweetest and tastiest and goldest olive oil in the world, I think. It was amazing, all this thing, how they do that, what you see there, and basically you're hand making the olive oil. Okay, the machines are doing the quite big amount of work, but you do also. And this warm olive oil, it's worth it. End of the day, we get it around, I think it was around 100 liters of oil. It was a little bit less what the olive's owner was thinking, but at the end it was okay. Welcome to the Qohar Farragut, the hidden joy. The name comes from the Arabic and it was known as a lush oasis during the Moorish area. The village keeps the true spirit of Andalusia alive with its whitewashed houses, narrow streets, and the 16th century San Lorenzo church built over the ancient mosque. Thanks to unique microclimate, the valley feels like a tropical garden where the olive trees grow along exotic avocados and mangoes and so on and on. High above the village there are ruins of El Castello, what are built back to the 13th century. If you want to escape from the touristic places, then Qohar Farragut is the perfect for you. It's very tropical climate, very calm in summertime and wintertime. There is also a bar where you can enjoy the breakfast or in the nighttime some beer or wine. Just perfect place to spend your holidays. We decided we don't like this ugly color here. I have some spray and I will paint it. We will see how does it looks. I have to cover it. I will paint it. These ones. I will paint also these ones and these ones. We will see. Maybe it gets some better view because our car is broken right now a little bit, so we have a time to do this kind of things. We are stuck here, and here is also our new protection mark, so it will protect us. We will see. But I covered the paper. I put something down here also, and then I will start to paint. This is how our painting work is going, and we decided also we will paint here. Yippee. If you want to know, then this is the thing what we are using for painting. Well, we will see, but at least right now when I'm looking it stays very good, doesn't come off even if you're scratching it. And it's very nice. It's a shark paint. We found it on a Chinese store. We bought in Temu one headlight polishing thing, and there is a difference. It costs like €1 and like 2 minutes cleaning, and it looks like that. It's beautiful.